So I think a lot of times when companies think or organizations think of regulatory fines and penalties, they think only certain industries that are regulated need to adhere to these requirements. That's absolutely not true. And typically what we think of in terms of the regulated entities, we're thinking about financial institutions, healthcare organizations, or retailers, which typically need to comply with a whole set of regulatory or other standards because of the payment card industry. These regulatory requirements present a whole slew of additional exposures, which many companies need to work with their brokers to ensure that the definition of privacy regulatory fine is attributable to their industry, and that should these fines and penalties be assessed against these organizations, that the insurance coverage is going to pick it up. Typically, we had thought that financial institutions are the most secure, typically because they have the largest budgets to dedicate to that. But I think the most recent fine assessed against Capital One just reinforces the need that even if you think you're the most secure company in this regulated industry, you still have an exposure. So making sure that you're doing everything you can to adhere to these requirements and that your insurance coverage matches these needs is the most important thing that a company can do.